So I don't know where we're going, but we'll find out when we're there. Fabienne made a plan.
Das war heiß.
I don't know where we are right now, but Fabienne knows it, so... Honey, where are we here? Sawadika.
100 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
160 baht.
This is the park, honey.
Ja.
But this is not nature, this is man-made. It's definitely man-made, honey.
Aber ist doch trotzdem ganz hübsch, oder?
Oh wow! Oh, you can go in there! Honey! Ooh, wow! Which way?
Oh, aber guck mal mit den Blumen hier.
Oh wow! You can also sit over there.
Yeah.
But it looks beautiful. It looks really beautiful. What? Oh, the goat. Oh, hello. Hello, buddy. I've seen that he's interested in my camera. Hey.
Warum die hier angekettet sind?
Hello. So we are right here at the Dante Vada Land of Angels Waterfall Park, which is man-made. What Fabienne didn't know. We thought that this is a nature park. We drove all the way up here from our hotel, 52 minutes on a highway. With a scooter on the highway in Thailand. Oh my god. And I'm now waiting for Fabienne. I don't know what she's doing, but... What are you doing?
Den Ziegen Wasser geben und füttern.
She's helping the goats to eat and drink. She really loves animals. Can we go now?
Ja.
Yeah, but who should know that this is a man-made park? I mean, this park is beautiful, but it's still man-made, and you can't compare that to nature waterfall. But it is beautiful. It is. Bye. So from a scale 1 to 10, how would you rate this park here? 2. 2 out of 10?
Ja.
So it was a total bummer. I mean, so it was not a total bummer, but if you ever come by, don't stop here. You don't need to, because we already made the experience for you. But it was also just a stop on our way to our final destination. I don't know where we headed to, but Fabienne is navigating, so everything depends on her. Do you want to tell me where we go, or?
Nee.
Do you want to explain me now where we are?
Yes.
So what is the plan? What is the idea?
We are in the national park.
Sri Lanka National Park. Okay, now?
We go and explore the Sri Lanka National Park.
What are you eating?
Pizza.
So yes, we are at the Sri Lanka National Park. Walk and explore this beauty of nature. Can't fly my drone here because I still have not the permit to fly my drone in Thailand. Okay. So we are right here. Yeah, would they just go way around or not? So we don't have a plan yet. We need to make a plan. We're taking a break here before we even started, but we had no breakfast, so I think that's okay. Just imagine flying the drone here. That would be crazy. Okay, and now after our break we can finally start. Okay, it's the first time holding a camera and driving a scooter. Ooh. This way here? Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that view, honey. Whoa. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay. So, fish watching, bird watching. Or do you want to see the Hawaii Mile way? Now switching over to the GoPro because, I mean, have you seen the way? So I just hope that we don't get a flat tire. Honey, this is really off-road here. Now the time has come, it's Fabienne's turn. For the first time driving a scooter in Thailand. Okay, so honey, this is a brake.
Ich weiß.
This is a brake as well. Here, this is a brake, and you can change the gear by going up and going back. Okay, okay, turn it on.
Ja, wie geht es denn an? Ich war umgekehrt.
Oh my god! Drive slowly, honey, slowly. Honey, a car! Oh my god!
Really well set in my ways. Don't fall for the latest craze, it's a scam.
What?
Not as sexy as I once
It's their first time
was.
driving a scooter here in Thailand. Okay, let's go, honey. It's their first time.
Ich traue mich nicht.
Because I'm a no
Halt still!
So we're almost driving around for the whole day without really having a plan, except for the waterfall we're looking for. Do you know which way? Or? But the problem is that I almost ran out of battery and my phone is the only phone where we got data, so internet. Is it recording? Oh yeah. So we just drove up this way and we were followed by 3 dogs. Now we need to drive back because here is the end of the road. Wish us luck. They were really barking very loud, right? Mm-hmm. Are you scared?
Ja.
She was really scared because she thought that she gets bitten by them. Okay, next corner. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, they were really aggressive, not? Weren't they? They were quite aggressive. And they waited for us. They waited after the corner for us, right? Oh my god. Wow, these dogs are really aggressive. I mean, they were barking, right?
Ja.
We were really scared about that. I mean, it was a dog attack.
Dog attack.
Yeah, attacked by dogs. Bua Tong Waterfall and CEST Fountain National Park. This feels really being in a jungle or not?
Yeah.
This is nature. This is what we really want to see. Not this man-made park over there. Wow! This waterfall goes around here. Oh my god. Let's go down there. There's a way, there's our stairs.
Echt?
Yeah, there. Oh, it's the first, second, third and fourth floor. Hey, this waterfall got 4 floors, honey. This is really my type of adventure. Oh man, you really can't imagine how beautiful that is in real life. It never looks that like on camera, but I'm just trying to give you the best idea of what it looks like in real. You really feel like you're being in a jungle. Oh my god! We are really here in the middle of a jungle. And we are the only people. No one is here. Honey, let's go down. This is such a cool sport. Look at that. Wow. This is the best view for the waterfall. Bua Tong Waterfall. Bua Tong Waterfall is a waterfall with a special feature of calcium carbonate waterfall. When touching the rock, it feels numb and you can walk or climb on the waterfall. Let's go!
Ja, mach.
You as well. Come on.
Mit der Kamera.
Oh, there are different ways to go up. Ah, this here is the slippery route. I feel a little bit safer. Okay, so now again I'm switching to the GoPro because it's much safer to carry the GoPro instead of this heavy camera setup climbing this slippery waterfall. Oh honey, it says warning snakes. What? Snakes? This is so cool. This makes so much fun. And even if it doesn't look like that, it's not slippery at all. It feels totally numb. It goes even higher. This is so cool. Okay, ready? Let's go. I mean, I get so wet. Whoa. Ah. No! Oh, that's my shoe! My shoe! No! Wait! Oh no! Oh! It's totally wet! It's totally wet! Did we make it to the top? Oh yes! So we got up the waterfall and we're now walking here to the so-called cold springs. Cold spring, I don't know. And honey, wait. Listen. Can you hear that? Nothing. No scooter, no traffic, no one. Just a few birds, jungle and us both. Oh my god. Can you hear that? We are the only ones. And these birds. When I see this right here, I mean, I got a sunburn here. My shorts is totally wet and dirty. Here, mosquitoes. My shoes, my socks are totally wet. Oh, these mosquitoes. Let's run. Either they've already closed the park or we are the only ones. Because as you can see, there's our scooter. But no other car around or a bike. Nothing. Okay, what is my battery saying of my phone? 22%. Okay, just hope that we get back because my phone is the only one which got internet. Yeah. Oh, honey.
Ich hab die Stufe nicht gefunden.
Everything okay? Oh, she didn't saw the step. Oh, honey, I feel so sorry for you. I was a little bit shocked because you were just like this. I thought you broke your leg or so, I don't know.